Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back again today with another two trades. Did the Aussie dollar and the Euro Aussie. Today's date is October the 28th. I took the trades a little at 8:10 this morning, and the Euro Aussie I took at 8 minutes after 7. One was a buy, one was a sell. So let's run a check on these. I base these two trades on the strength of the meter. As you can see, dollars at the top, Aussies at the bottom. So obviously we're selling the Aussie dollar. So let's see where I got in at. Took the trade right here at this cursor, and less than an hour, it's around 30 looks like 35 minutes in and out of the trade. I closed the trade at this cursor with 22 pips, and 22 pips on the Aussie dollar paid $2,200. Remember, you don't need to get 100 pips a day, but if you do two trades or more, and you can get around 20 pips, and once you get to standard lots, you will be a very happy trader. So let's see the next pair here. And by the way, this trade was a great way to trade using the moving averages and the indicators down at the bottom here. I teach exactly how to trade, a great way to trade within the training videos. So on the other pair, Euro Aussie, this one I bought. Again, it was on the Aussie weakness, so that means the Euro Aussie, in real time, the Euro was higher up on the meter. So drag and drop this up. Took the trade at this cursor right here. It only went against me, looks like 7-8 pips. And I close it out, looks like a good timing. Close it out with 42 pips, and 42 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $2,890. And by the way, this is another good example. When I pulled the trigger, it was a great way to trade, again using the indicators on the top and the indicators at the bottom. I knew with a high degree of certainty that the market was going to give me some pips, and that is why I took the trade, even though I had to be a little bit cautious as it hit the ADR. But based on the meter, which was telling me you should get some pips. Now I'm not looking for 100 pips, but if I can grab 20 to 30 pips or more, I'm very happy. And today's pip total was 64 pips, and those 64 pips paid $5,090. And I am done trading for the day, and it's only 2 minutes after 9 a.m. That gives me the rest of the day to do whatever I please, and that's why I got into trading 16 years ago. So I work a lot less, 1 to 2 hours a day, and make 10 times more money. That's what the goal is. So that leaves me with a lot of time today to work on my training videos on my new FibMaster trading. And I should be done by this Friday to be able to release it with all the training videos. It's a new advanced Fibonacci tool. This was not a Fibonacci. I can always throw it on here. I'm just a little bit curious. Actually, I didn't catch it, but from the London push and then a pullback, did hit entry 1 here. Comes with 4 entry points with rules that you have to follow, and it gives up to 10 targets. So if you did take the trade on entry 1 right here, where I closed it out today, that would have been 123 pips. Love this advanced Fibonacci tool that I spent about 3 months working on. Here it is just to show you. It's the FibMaster full course. I will be done by Friday, early afternoon. It will have minimum 30 training videos. You can put this on pause. There's a lot of advanced training in here. It's just another confirmation tool, and it forces you to wait for the pullback, as I teach within the market, like how to trade pullbacks. This is a perfect example of trading using Fibonacci. The only reason why, and the main reason why this works, is because millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. And once you realize how accurate and fantastic it is, you will love it also. This was very difficult to build. I struggled with it. And then once I built it, I had to figure out on the platform where it was located. And once I found that, it's ready to go. Copy and paste, that's all you have to do. Anyhow, if your system is not producing fantastic results every day, like my Pro Trigger, and also combination of this FibMaster, I suggest that you get your hands on both of them. They would be a great combination and will take your trading to another level, like it has for me. Only 2 trades a day, and for less than an hour, the results were fantastic. So if your system's not producing fantastic results like my Pro Trigger, then I suggest you get your hands on it, and definitely you should take a look at this FibMaster full course. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. It's my Pro Trigger system. I do charge $250 for it, and it comes with 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Would not trade without it. It points me exactly which pairs I should be trading, does all the legwork for me, and then all I do is I get in a trade and then manage the trade. Remember, trade management and money management, both of them are very important, and you must master that, or else you'll never find success within the markets. Now, there's a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and this is what you need, a lot of training and education to succeed at trading the markets. Now, there's a lot of ways to trade, so that's why I produced 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. Now, my number 1 way of trading, as I did on both trades today, was a great way to trade. Love it, and you will also. Now, what makes the Pro Trigger just a little bit better than all my other trigger systems is within these 5 subjects. In each and every video, I give a lot of advanced training and advanced trading tips and tricks. I also teach how to get near perfect timing entries. I also teach how to stay in the trade for more pips. I also teach how to trade at the right hand edge. This is where every trader struggles with. 95% of the traders who lose never master how to trade at the right hand edge. So I show in great detail exactly how to do that. I also teach how to trade higher time frames, not only on the AO here, but I also click on 2 or 3 higher time frames as I want to make sure I'm going in the direction of the trend. It only takes a few seconds to run a quick check before you pull the trigger. These are all things that you have to learn how to do, or you will always be struggling and giving money to the broker. And they will love you a lot when you're giving them thousands of dollars. Now, I'll obviously teach how to trade the Pro Trigger version 2. That's where I just added the MTF awesome oscillator, this indicator right here. So moving right along, in each and every video I show dozens and dozens of great trade setups. I'll also teach you how to back test the Pro Trigger. I do that between 6 and 8 hours every weekend. Still do it today. This is what helped me to become a very good trader. And you really should do it also. As my mentor told me 15 years ago, he said, don't be lazy and do the homework. So now I'm going to repeat it to all you traders. Don't be lazy, do the homework. If you get something from me, watch the videos and read all the write-ups in the PDF books and the Word documents. I also teach how to trade all 3 sessions here, including this London close. Also teach how to trade pullbacks and reversals. As you can see, from here to the goal line, that's a pullback. And if it breaks through, as it did here, I call that a reversal, which is tradable. And there's always a lot of action right around the goal line. I just checked all the training videos and I noticed that I forgot to include here how to trade the goal line. And this is very, very important. When trading is either away from the goal line and or around the goal line, and then of course as it's going up, you can look for fib retracements to get in the trade. There are many ways to find trade entries. And I was a little bit surprised when I said the goal line and I looked over here and I didn't see it, how to trade the goal line. There's actually 2 videos, more than 20 minutes each, around 21 minutes, teaching you exactly how to trade around the goal line. That just made this system a little bit better, because I trade many times right around the goal line here. And I find a lot of success doing so. Now I also teach how to trade the news and also teach how to trade with a day job. So in other words, you don't have to quit your day job while you are learning how to trade. So if you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, here's my email. Just shoot me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I do prefer Skype, and if you click on this link right here, we'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session and show you, the Pro Trigger or whatever trigger system you want, and I will answer your questions. Remember, that is free, no obligations. So, over the course of many years, I've been building trigger systems, and if you click on this link right here, you'll see 28 screenshots. So that just about wraps up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, happy trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.